Patriot. Ladies and gentlemen, global leader, ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Jean-Michel Foucault. We are in Geneva headquarters here. We are November 10, 2021. November 10, 2021. I'm an international attorney of the United Nations. I'm an expert in many disciplines, professor in many disciplines, and it's too heavy to present myself, to introduce myself. So please, I please you to refer to my background. What is the most important I want to tell you, like I promised that I will continue to work, and God bless me, because what I'm going to touch, it will prosper. Everything I will touch. In seminary, God told me, every time you will do good for we people, I will be there. And also, even if when you will have children, I will bless these children. These children will have will have a very high intelligence, very high. That's why I married quickly to Bondisa Municipality in Punku, and I have to be stable because God told me, don't be a prostitute. So just to be stable. When you're stable with one wife, I will bless you. I will bless you. So I never will take a woman without God permission. What I want to show you is that my program, Justice for All, is already implemented. I told you that everywhere I will go, when I plant something, it will come out. That because God will bless it. So there are some leaders are living with just a publicity. You go on TV, minister, they are forcing to be popular. They are forcing to be popular, but they know that it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. They are forcing to be popular. They give money to media, and all day the media will repeat the same thing about them, about their lies, about their faults. Nothing will work. Nothing. But this is concrete. This is concrete. Here in Switzerland, I'm supposed to be in exile. But God bless the program that Justice for All. Do you want independent judge? Do you want judiciary independence? Do you want judiciary independence? That's what the government of Switzerland asked to we people of Switzerland, and the answer is yes. The answer, there is no here. You can see there is no here. There is just a yes here. So judiciary independence is very, very important, because you kill the husband of Elizabeth, she needs justice. The queen needs justice. The Princess Charlene needs justice. My mother, Hélène Biemi, my family, all my family, my aunt and my children, they need justice. So you too, many women, you take the firstborn. Many women you take. Who told you that the firstborn of the woman have to die? Who told you that? Who told you what law give permission? For that, the first, you force people to get information on criminal organization, and the firstborn have to die. Okay? Many women are crying, and also one woman decided to withdraw from Freemason criminal organization. What you do, you confiscate their child. You go to the daycare, you confiscate their child. There are many women that they don't know where their child you confiscate are now. Where do you place their child you confiscated? That's the matter of waiting justice. There are some people rape married women. So you kill the husband and you rape married woman. Their women are, are waiting for justice. And there are also men, you take their job. Like me, 10 years of my life. You take all my revenue, you humiliate me, put my health in danger. God is working. God is working, and Switzerland is not a joke. And depending on how the judge, please, can be, one party cheat on election, one party ring election, didn't win election, ring election, and came, doesn't have a legitimacy, and make appointed some judge without legitimacy, appointed to some judge. And you said that there is the principle of to be grateful to the party give this judge a job. That's the one thing. So the judge cannot be free. The second, the judge will take oath in the constitution of the nation, promise that he's not going to serve the interest of Freemasonry criminal organization or the party win election or ring election, appointed him, but the judge will take the interest of the justice of all people, all nation. Okay, there is a conflict of interest. So third, when the judge is appointed by Freemasonry, imagine the judge sit in the room, judiciary room, but there is a woman there with a black mask. The shoulder is watching her or watching him to tell him you have to release the man, or the man kill many people, make pedophilia, you have to release him. The criminal, you have to release the criminal. You have to set free the criminal. Imagine in the room, the man is a judge, but there is another man there, the shoulder with a black mask, is telling you have to relieve the criminal there. This woman or this man kill a lot. So make a damage to many people. So there is not judiciary independence. There is a conflict of interest. God thank you, because our program today, Justice for All, is implemented. Is implemented, and we need that. We need judicial independence. In democracy, there is a state of law and independent judiciary. This is Professor Oloshani Senkoku, Professor of Law, Professor of Faculty of Law, Professor of Faculty of Law of Vatican University, Professor of University of Law of Commonwealth University, Professor of University of Law of French-speaking university. And my program is implemented. God bless me, and we continue to work. I said that we never will stop. The work will never stop. Around the world, very many women, many men fled from the war, need justice. So this program is relevant for all. Justice for all. Thank you so much. Black American, you need justice. Thank you. Thank you. African, Caribbean, everywhere you went, you need justice. Slave, you need justice. Refugee, you need justice. Thank you so much. C'est bon?